Hi, I'm Katie the Singer 123. I recently killed myself and posted my suicide note on YouTube. But so many people were sad to see me end my life. YouTube decided that my note could no longer remain on their website. It was taken down, and I now have a warning not to post any more videos that have to do with me dying. So, I guess I am not dead anymore. Which kind of sucks, because, well, look at me. I do not want to go on living in a world that hates me. Because of my awesome singing skills, I've been thinking about starting belly dancing. So many people tell me I'm beautiful, so I want to show off my body now. I like candy and party sub dinners. They help keep my figure so sleek and slim. Black people scare me, and so do Mexicans. I'm glad there are none here in the UK. I am also fond of eating seaweed, like a retarded dolphin. I love stuffing my face so much. Can anyone spare me some sugar? I ate my last 23 eggs this morning. It's been a rough afternoon. I need to eat. Give me food before I consume you, you morsel.